the B main line to Belle. See there, viewers, the limited B means you're on the fast line to Belle. Today I'm saying goodbye to the trains today because it's my chance to say goodbye to them before they go for good. So today I'm at Kingussie station in London to see the final goodbye, like 43-111, go north to Inverness. That's this weekend's the last one. Dude, slamming all the doors, time to get ready to get a move on, time to go. Today we got 43-111 HST en route to Inverness. This is the 12 o'clock midday service to Inverness. This calls at York, Newcastle, Darlington, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Edinburgh, Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Edinburgh, Waverley, Haymarket, Grahamston, and onwards journeys into Inverness. This is the Highland Chieftain service. Now you see there, we're dispatching a train. Here we wave the arms up, all clear. Right away. So he's going to close the doors right now. There we go, doors are locked. And now it's ready to go. 43-111 departs London King's Cross for Inverness. This train's the 12 o'clock midday service to Inverness. And there he goes right now. Beep, beep. Fun, Mrs. Goodbye. Choo choo. Ta ta, tickety ta. Bye. Ta ta, tickety ta. There goes the Inverness train. As today's the last day. As this weekend's the last one. Bye, Miss Scott. Have a good journey. That was amazing. It was time to say goodbye. 43-208. Off it goes. Off to London. Off to Inverness. Let's go to the top so we can just get see it to the distance, viewers. There you go. It's going away.
This is a safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard or rollerblade within the station building.
There he goes. Choo choo. And the line, we're en route to Belle.